Hi there ladies, Tammy Embrich from MakeupProductsOnline.com. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a really great day. I have a Avon unboxing. I opened the top, that's all. I've been really excited to get into this box because there's some eyeshadow palettes in here. Yes, more eyeshadow palettes. Okay, first of all, I have a little bag of goodies here. Grab my scissors so I can open the bag. I am so glad tomorrow is Friday. It's been kind of a hectic week. I haven't been real busy, but I don't know why. It's just been stressful. But anyway, next week's going to be a lot better, right? Okay, this is the new Hydra Fusion Snow Cream. This is what it looks like. Got the little doohickey off. See if this has a scent. This is like a white cream here. I'm going to rub it on my hand, back of my hand. Feels like it's supposed to really hydrate your skin. The lid. I'm going to put just a little bit more on my hand here because it feels really good. It has a very faint scent, very faint. It says to use gently smooth over cleansed skin morning and evening. For best results, use after a new Hydra Fusion replenishing serum. So I'm really anxious to start using that. Okay, I have a big bag full of lip balms. So I knew I was going to need them for the holidays, so there's that. It may be a giveaway or something. Okay, we have the A box. I haven't found the trick how to open these except for just scissors, good old-fashioned scissors. I like the look of this leopard print. And this is moisturizing eye makeup remover lotion on True Color. Look, it usually has a name for the box. Oh well. Some more makeup remover. Moisturizing eye makeup remover, which I love. And then another glimmer stick. A girl can't have enough glimmer sticks. And this is olive. This is different for me, but I'll try it out. And this is the eyeshadow quad. And it is Warm Sunrise. I just love these eyeshadow quads. Should do a video and show all of them to you and do choose one to do an eye look. So that's that. Again, that is Warm Sunrise, and it looks exactly like a sunrise. And then we have a jewelry product. Earrings. I wasn't expecting, I forgot that these earrings were in here. They are blue. Aren't those pretty? These would look really good, like if you're wearing a ponytail. Really good. I love them. See, what are these called? Shimmering teardrop earrings. Okay, that's it with the A box. Get a swig of coffee. Gonna get into this next, which I've been most excited about this product here. And it's an eyeshadow palette. This is the box. Dream in Color eye palette. Okay, it opens on the end. Ta-ta-da-da! I dream, no, not I dream, Dream in Color. I love the inside. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh, look at those colors. Gorgeous. I'm gonna like this palette. For sure, for sure. Let's I can get this plastic off of here. You can see them so much better after you get the plastic off. Pretty. Love it, love it. Gorgeous. I will do a swatch on these and maybe a little review on them and do an eye look with that too. And then here is Just Glow With It. These are highlighters. I'm pretty sure these are highlighters. Oh, I love the packaging. Avon Just Glow With It eye highlighter palette. 4 shades. There you go. I can see what they feel like. Ooh, yeah. Pretty. They are creams. So we'll see if I'm gonna like this or not. I usually don't like creams, but that doesn't mean anything. Okay. And then this is 2 eyeshadow palettes and a contour and blush palette, I think. two. Gotta cut the bubble wrap. Let's pull it apart here. Of course, it's got paper on it. I tell you what, I'm really impressed with Avon's packaging. I really am. Ta-da-da! Time to Shine palette collection. 2 blush palettes, 2 highlighters, and 24 eyeshadows. Okay, so let's see if I can get this sleeve off of here. There we go. And it's like a bookcase. I'll show you in just a sec. There you go. The future's bright. Reach for the stars and positive vibes only. You can read that. Bookcase, time to shine. Okay. Ooh, I love the front of them. There's that one, and then that one. Okay. One of the eye shadow palettes. Let's get the plastic off of there. I'm gonna love this one. Gorgeous colors. Love it, love it, love it. I've been so excited. This box has been on my bed for 2 days. Positive vibes only. Another eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna love these too. And they do have a mirror. Let's see. Yep, they do have a mirror. That's awesome. That's always a plus in my book. Oh, look at that. So these are the eyeshadows. Nice mix of the darks and bolds and the pastels. Gonna love them. Going to love them. I think I can do some really nice looks with those. And here is the, I'm going to take the plastic off of there. Then yank that plastic off of there. Pretty. Pretty, pretty. This one here is a little bright, but I can deal with it. Nice. They feel really nice. I'm trying to gonna enjoy this too, guys. Just really love the Avon products, and with the new executive, she is really stepping up and she is getting all kinds of new products in. I'm really impressed, really impressed. So if you wanted to order any of the products, you can do so at my link at youravon.com/Tambrich. And if you have any questions about anything, any of the products I just showed you, you can email me, tammy.embrich26@gmail.com. And I think that's about it. I made it as short as I could. So I will see you in the next one. If you like my videos, subscribe and hit the bell, the little bell, so you will be notified whenever I post a video. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Bye-bye, guys. Have a good day.